And now to the COVID-19 pandemic, and the country recorded a positivity rate of 13.4% in the last 24 hours after 1,437 people tested positive for the virus. The surge in the country makes the fourth wave a significant threat. With the government's decision to steadily reopen sections of the economy, Direct Line Insurance Company, in conjunction with Matatu operators, fumigated public service vehicles and provided masks to passengers in Nairobi. Marianne Nyambura now reports.
For the third week, Kenya has recorded a high positivity rate that is well above the required threshold as stated by the World Health Organization. WHO's criteria states that the pandemic is slightly under control for any country, recording a positivity rate of less than 5%. At 13.4%, the country is not out of the woods just yet, with the Ministry of Health directing Kenyans to remain alert and adhere to all COVID protocols. Over the last 24 hours, 1,437 people tested positive for the disease, from a sample size of 10,764. This brings the total number of positive cases in the country to 218,713. Nairobi continues to lead with the highest number of new cases at 496. Nakuru comes in second with 139 people testing positive. In Kiambu, 101 people tested positive for the virus. 1,056 people have recovered from the disease, raising the number of total recoveries to 201,054. 29 deaths were reported, all listed as late death reports on diverse dates. This brings to 4,302 the number of deaths reported in the country. 1,938 people are admitted in various hospitals in the country, 136 of whom are in intensive care units. 62 are on ventilatory support and 67 on supplemental oxygen. The vaccination exercise continues, with 1,970,174 vaccines having been administered across the country. Barely a week since public service vehicles reverted to carrying full capacity, Direct Line Assurance Company issued masks to passengers and conducted a fumigation exercise on public service vehicles to boost passenger safety.
But we are also telling our crew to do the following. They must sensitize everybody who was coming in to ensure that they put on the face mask, to open windows to ensure that the ventilation is going on. Our drivers and conductors to ensure the fares are moderated.
Kama federation, jukumu letu ni kuhakikisha kuwahimiza. Kama kuna soko ambayo pengine haijafikia kiwango cha hicho kutekeleza hivyo, tutaweka mkazo kwa wale ambao wanasimamia sako hiyo. Kwa nini haendeleshi? Manake hatuwezi tukarudi nyuma. Kama tushakubaliana, tumekubaliana, na ndio sababu full capacity ilikubaliwa.
Passengers have been urged to ensure they open windows for ventilation and wear masks as they travel. Marianne Nyambura, Citizen TV.